Don't take with it, don't take with it, don't take with it. Don't take with it. Don't take with it, don't take with it, don't take with it. Don't take with it. Don't take with it, don't take with it, don't take with it. Don't take with it. Don't take with it, don't take with it, don't take with it. Don't take with it. Don't take with it, don't take with it, don't take with it. Don't take with it.
MIKEGTV. B. Alright, I'm under the car right now. And I got one in. As you can see right there. I'll try to get a little closer. I got that one in. I had to jack the motor up with the I only had the factory jack on me. I put a thing on the exhaust right there. And I had to jack it up a little bit, but as you can see, I got it in. I got one in at least. I'm going to try to get to the back too, but I doubt if I'm going to be able to do that, but I'm going to try. I got that one in. Going to tighten it up right now. It's hard to do when I'm holding the camera, but yeah, I tried to go to, I called the shop that's close to my house, and they was like, oh, the guy doesn't work here no more, or the shop got shut down. But and then I went to a place down the street from my house. He said he'll hook me up, but he can't do nothing till Monday. It's Friday right now, so I had to do it myself. I'm feeling better now. I went home, took another pill, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to record while I'm doing this. I'm gonna try. All right, that one is tight, but I'm gonna tighten it more with this half-inch, what is it, ratchet. But let me get the tripod because I can't record like this. All right, I got the one in the front end, and I got the one in the back end. So the bolts lined up. I just got to tighten the one in the back, but I got to figure out how I'm going to get in there because the car's so low, and I only have the factory jack on me, but the one in the front is tight. So now the one in the back, it's in there, and I threaded it in there. I just got to tighten it up, see if I can fit in there. I'm gonna wait until Monday to get my car back, or to get it even fixed. But there's like no space in here. Oh, I think I see it. That is it. It's a good thing it lined up. I don't have to pay these guys to put 2 bolts in. Very good. I could probably use the gun to tighten it a little bit more. There's no space in here. All right. Alright, it's tightened to as much as it's going to tighten with this thing. So now I got to come in here with this to finish it off. Not that much swing space, so I'm just happy I got them lined up. I didn't think I was going to be able to do that, but I did. Alright, I got the socket, well, the ratchet on there. Oh, there's no speed. Yeah, there's no swing space. I can't. That's as far as I got right there. And it's not even locking to turn it. So, let me see if I can see it from the top. I doubt it. But there's no swing space. I can't do nothing. If I get a long socket with a swivel, I can get it from here. I mean, a long extension with a swivel, I can get it from here. So let me take that off and leave the socket on, and I'm gonna hit it with the big gun. I'm gonna put the socket back up. Well, I don't even have to. I'm gonna get all my extensions and hit it with the big gun, and I'm done, because I can get it from the wheel well. So let me find all my extensions so I can do this and get this over with. All right, see, I don't know if you guys can see the bolt in there and down there, way down in there, but I can see it, and I got to get this done, so it's in there, believe me. I got these extensions. These are the longest ones I got, so I'm gonna try to do it without the swivel. I got 3 extensions. It looks like it's gonna go on, but I'm not sure yet. Alright, it's on. But the problem I got now is the gun's not gonna fit in there. So I'm just gonna have to tighten it up with the just gonna have to tighten it up with this ratchet. This is the 1/2-inch ratchet. That thing's tight, but I don't need these things falling out again. Yeah, that thing's tight, but I get a couple turns on it. I can't do it with this camera in my way, so you guys can see what I'm doing. So let me tighten it and get up out of here. Alright, I got it as tight as I can get it. It's that bolt right there in the middle of the screen. But I'm gonna have to buy me a really long extension set. I see Harbor Freight got them for like $16.99. But I'm happy I got it in there. I didn't have to pay anybody to do it. I don't have to wait till Monday. I asked 2 mechanics and they both told me next week. But it's done. Put all the stuff away. And that's it. Finally got a video, huh? It's been a while. It's nice today. I don't know what the temperature is out here, but it's really nice today. Done with that. It took what? 10 minutes for me to do that? Why do I gotta wait till Monday? But they had cars. I could finally press my gas without my fan hitting my shroud. But I had to do it. I had to do it today because I forgot if I told you guys or not, but tomorrow, yeah, tomorrow, supposed to be a big rainstorm with floods and stuff, and we just had one a couple days ago, so I wouldn't be able to work on the car because I'm working outside. I wouldn't be able to do it tomorrow if it was raining, so that's done. I'm happy. I'm gonna have to tighten them up some more, but I gotta go to Harbor Freight and get that extension, those really long extension. Like I said, it's like $16.99, but I can finally press my gas without my motor moving around. At least I know now that my motor mounts are good. I gotta check the other side, but the side that I was just on, the driver's side, is good. That's about it. Mike GTV. B.